the World Thinking Day of the Bharat Scout and Guide, a day that inspires us to lead with service, discipline, and unity. World Thinking Day is celebrated every year on 22nd February by members of Bharat Scout and Guide all over the world. It marks the birthday of Lord Baden-Powell, the founder of Scouting, and Lady Baden-Powell, the first chief guide. On this day, Scout and Guide think about their fellow members and renew their promise and commitment.
Indeed, this day honors the legacy of our founder, Lord Robert Baden-Powell and Lady Olive Baden-Powell, who envisioned the youth movement committed to honesty, courage, and service.
Let us warmly welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Headmistress Ma'am. We also extend a respectful greetings to all Scout and Guide Captain here today. Let's greet everyone with a smart round of Scout clap. Scout claps, go!